Hello everyone! Today I would like to show you how to run a substructure, similarity and text search on Chemspace.com. This is Chemspace homepage. Here you can start searching for small molecules or biologics with just a few clicks. The drawing tool that we use at Chemspace is Marvin.js, created by Chemaxon. It is equipped with all necessary tools for fast visualization of molecules. At the bottom of the window, you can find frequently used aliphatic and aromatic cycles. On the right-hand side of the window, you can find the atom list. On the left-hand side, you can find options for atom selection, deletion, and also more features that will help speed up the molecule search process. Let's focus on the search itself and start with the exact match. And within a second, we receive our results. You can easily find what you need using filters on the left-hand side. Here the molecules can be sorted by price, molecular weight, and lead time. Below you can see a lot of options that can help with the navigation. You can refine your results based on factors as price, pack size, preferred suppliers, specific properties, and even country of origin. These filters allow you to tailor your search precisely to your needs, ensuring you find the exact molecules you're looking for in a more efficient and targeted manner. At the top of the window, you can choose between the in-stock building blocks, make-and-demand building blocks, and custom requests by simply clicking on the desired option. To come back to the search window, please tap the Refine Query. Now Substructure Search. It is suitable for searching both building block and screening compound catalogs. Again, we submit our query. The result retrieving will start with the query molecule and then it will gradually add one by one atom in different positions and combinations. You can filter and sort the molecules using the side panel, as I mentioned before. Selected compounds can be exported in Excel, structured data file, or text formats. Similarity search is more frequently used while searching for screening compounds. We use classical Tanimoto similarity with maximum cutoff up to 0.7. So, we draw the query, submit the search, and receive the results. Every compound has its own page, which you can find by simply clicking on the structure. Here is more detailed information about the chemical properties, IDs, and suppliers. Text search is probably the most convenient and the fastest way to find the chemicals of your interest. There are two text boxes for inserting your queries. The first one is located right over here, next to the Chemspace logo. The second one is over here. You can switch between chemical search, text search, and file import with no effort. The number of queries is limited up to 2,000 records. Text search supports chemical name, smiles, CAS and MFCD numbers, and Chemspace IDs and suppliers IDs. For searching, you can use them separately or even mix them all up. All you need to do is just to insert them into the box and press the search button. And here are the results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this tutorial useful. But if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to drop us a line. And please don't forget to subscribe to our social media.